A huge black cloud overhead. Was not there just a minute ago, though it's been thundering all day. Because I just came in, ooh, lightning, 2 minutes ago with the boys, and I thought I'd come in out and see if TC was out here. And I saw just started to pour, and that cloud is amazing. Ooh, got that one. Let's see if I can zoom in by the light and see if you can tell if it's pouring over there. Yep, you can see it. I'm going to back into the porch here so the rain doesn't get on the camera. See if we can... Whoa! Shit! Oh, sorry. That hit somewhere. Winston, come on! Oh, Winston's outside. He's scared to death. Come on, Winston! Come on! Winston! Hey! Come on! Come on in! Come on! Come on in! Oh, he's barking.